Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you want to keep your home secure and always know who's at your door, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best front door cameras, carefully selected for their video quality, smart features, reliability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Taking our top spot is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, a premium wired option that truly covers all the bases. Imagine being able to see a delivery person from head to toe and the package they've left on your welcome mat. That's the clarity you get with its head-to-toe HD Plus video. Its advanced 3D motion detection is like having a smart map of your property. You can draw specific zones so you're only alerted about movement that actually matters to you. The two-way talk feature is crystal clear, making it easy to have a conversation with anyone at your door. And if you opt for a subscription, Alexa can even greet visitors for you with a personalized message. Since it's hardwired, you never have to think about charging a battery, and it integrates smoothly with an existing doorbell chime. You have full control over your privacy settings, deciding which areas are on and off limits for recording. With a Ring Protect plan, every video is saved and stored for up to 6 months, so you never miss a moment. For a feature-packed, reliable doorbell that integrates deeply with the smart home ecosystem, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a fantastic investment in your peace of mind.
Number 2. Google Nest Doorbell Wired 2nd Gen. In second place, the Google Nest Doorbell Wired 2nd Gen offers a clean, simple, and highly effective approach to front door security. Its wide 145-degree diagonal view gives you a perfect picture of your entrance, capturing everyone who steps up to your door. It connects directly to your home's wiring for constant power, so it's always on and ready. The Google Home app becomes your command center, letting you pull up a live feed anytime. You get a solid 3 hours of event history for free, with short video previews that pop up to show you what's happening. While a Nest Aware subscription unlocks more features like continuous recording, the out-of-the-box experience is plenty powerful for most households. It works beautifully with Google Assistant and even Amazon Alexa, so you can stream the feed to a smart display and use two-way audio hands-free. If you're after a no-fuss, dependable doorbell from a trusted brand that just works, the Google Nest Doorbell is a brilliant choice.
Number 3. eufy Video Doorbell Dual E8213. The eufy Video Doorbell Dual earns its spot with one killer feature: a second camera that points downward to completely eliminate blind spots. This means you get a full, unobstructed view of your doorstep, so you'll always see packages and people right at your feet. Its smart motion detection uses a combination of sensors to tell the difference between someone walking up your path and a car driving by in the distance, cutting down on false alerts by a huge margin. A feature we really love is the Delivery Guard, which sends you an immediate notification when a package arrives and keeps an eye on it, alerting you if someone tries to tamper with it. The video quality is sharp 2K resolution with HDR, so you get clear footage even when the sun is shining directly on the lens. The two-way audio is responsive and clear. For anyone tired of single-camera limitations and wanting a comprehensive, detailed view without a monthly fee, the eufy Dual Doorbell is an absolute standout. Number 4. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. The Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell is all about giving you a complete picture with its super wide 180-degree viewing angle. This ensures you can see visitors from head to toe and any parcels on the ground without any awkward cropping. The HD video with HDR looks great, providing vivid detail in bright sunlight and maintaining clarity when the lights go down. Communicating is easy with the two-way audio, and you can even set up pre-recorded messages for quick replies when you're busy. With an Arlo Secure subscription, you unlock intelligent alerts that can tell you if the motion is a person, a vehicle, an animal, or even a delivered package. A particularly clever feature called Arlo Foresight actually starts recording a few seconds before a motion event is fully triggered, so you catch the very beginning of the action. Its wired installation means no battery hassles, offering set-and-forget convenience. If you value a wide field of view and smart, proactive notifications, the Arlo Essential Wired is a powerful and reliable pick. Number 5. Blink Video Doorbell. Rounding out our list is the Blink Video Doorbell, a champion of flexibility and value. You can install it completely wire-free for ultimate placement freedom, or hook it up to existing doorbell wires for constant power. It delivers clear head-to-toe HD video day and night with reliable infrared night vision. The two-way audio lets you chat with visitors directly from your phone. One of its biggest selling points is incredible battery life. With the included lithium batteries, you can go up to 2 years without a change. While a Blink subscription adds nice perks like cloud storage, the doorbell works perfectly well without one. It's also Alexa compatible, allowing you to see your front door on an Echo Show with a simple voice command. For an affordable, easy-to-install doorbell that offers solid performance and long-lasting battery power, the Blink Video Doorbell delivers outstanding value. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best front door cameras. Which one do you think gives the best security for the price? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to High Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.